This is one of the most dangerous places on Earth. It has seen violent storms and biological attacks, raging fires and terrorist bombings. Catastrophic train derailments and urban building collapses happen here several times each year.
Got one trapped pretty good in here.
He looks like he's breathing.
What do we need to get to him?
Welcome to Disaster City, part of the 120-acre emergency response training complex located in Central Texas and operated by Texas A&M Engineering. Facilities include a mock city with collapsible structures and rubble piles, 42 on-site and 29 remote classrooms.
They create sound too.
Satellite communications downlinks, a fully equipped emergency operations training center with active and virtual simulations, and access to the almost 2,000-acre Texas A&M University Riverside campus. In short, this is a state-of-the-art training facility. The facilities and programs found at this unique complex are a direct result of decades of engineering research by the faculty, students, and staff of the Dwight College of Engineering at Texas A&M University. As a world-class research institution, Texas A&M University continues to be on the forefront, making significant contributions to disaster preparedness and response systems, training, and equipment. From developing the systems used to test key emergency response equipment to designing and enhancing the robotics used in search and rescue missions to devising more effective fire suppression techniques and technologies, Texas A&M Engineering is recognized internationally as a key leader in the field.
If you look at the fire training complex, which it started out as back in 1930, actually, we started conducting fire schools here. And then it grew into this premier training facility for emergency responders.
You take long-standing traditions of the university, the system, the fire training school, and those multiple years of experience and evolution, you're really building upon that.
Here we have a leading training facility, and we also have a leading engineering college, for example, in research. And they're linked together under the same umbrella.
Never in my career have I had an opportunity to interact with those people that are at the cutting edge of design technology to make something better that, again, in the end, is going to save lives.
The Disaster City Brayton Fire Training Field Complex provides the backdrop for a broad range of emergency response training and associated research, including robotics, fire, WMD preparation, situational awareness, heavy rescue, high-angle rescue, water rescue, aircraft rescue, rail rescue, explosives, EMS training, simulation, hazmat, marine, and more. The National Emergency Response and Rescue Training Center, a member of the National Domestic Preparedness Consortium, offers both introductory and advanced training at the TEACS facility. The courses offered by NERTC's training division are specifically aimed at mitigating and responding to acts of terrorism involving weapons of mass destruction and natural disasters. These are hands-on courses involving real-time, scenario-driven exercises.
We need everything here. It's going to be a long incident, so we need buckets.
These exercises are developed and evaluated both by veteran first responders from around the nation and leading Texas A&M engineering experts.
You're going to have to look at that too. Okay.
We take real-world knowledge, we apply it in training, we bring the nation's best instructors together, and then the benefit is the student walking away with the most applicable training, the most complete experience that they could have envisioned.
This combination of research-based, event-driven simulations and the tangible facilities found at Disaster City and the Brayton Fire Training Field provide unsurpassed emergency response training opportunities.
We can simulate an incident. We can bring in a command staff that is charged with doing this on a daily basis in their home jurisdiction. They can manage that incident, follow their principles, policies, and procedures, and then they can actually see a difference.
They brought a lot of knowledge to the table. I think that they brought a lot of experts in that had a lot of good background.
Fantastic experience. The staff is outstanding.
What makes this training extremely invaluable is that you have professionals teaching professionals.
To actually translate what you learn in a classroom setting into the field, essentially, you learn so much more in the field response.
I gained a lot of information that I can go back and take and actually apply to our Department Operations Center.
We focus on all types of disasters. We don't just focus on terrorism, or we just don't focus on natural disasters, but our training programs are designed to work in the response to whatever environment we find ourselves. I want every person that has to respond to an emergency that came here to our facility to say, I know exactly what to do, I'm confident that my gear is going to work, I know what the limitations of it are, what my limitations are, and I know how to handle this emergency, and then they'll save lives.
Combining the knowledge of leading academic researchers with the experience of real-world responders has allowed Texas A&M Engineering to develop an emergency response training system second to none. So long as the uncertainty of life in a post-9/11 world places a premium on being prepared, Texas A&M University will continue to lead the way in preparing our nation's best to deal with the worst.